Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Team PBLRKS 102. We are here to presentation about our project is classical cryptography application development. Um, with our project manager is Mr. Hamdani Arif, SPD MSc. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. First is I'm Andika Fatan Yahya as a chairman, Ridho Hadi Purnomo as a member, Abdul Rifki as a member, Michael Tebian as a member, Daniel Catur as member, and Siti Nurjana as a member. All right, let's start presentation. For the first part, let me presentation what project we actually do. Um, our project is conducting classical cryptographic exploration for the development of classic cryptographic application designed using one-type technique based on Python and MySQL. All right, for the next part is uh, Siti. For Siti, please explain the presentation.
Thank you, Andika. Fundamental concepts, classical cryptography, the one-time pad techniques, graphic user interface, programming language, database, and algorithm. Thank you.
All right, for the next presentation is Haikal.
Thank you for
Haikal,
Andika.
please
Next,
explain
software
the presentation.
requirement. Programming language is Python, IDE, Visual Studio, Spider, or Jupyter. Database is MySQL, cryptography technique, one-time pad, UI design Figma, framework Kinter, program, algorithm, login, encryption, decryption, and logging. Next, workflow login. 1. Open the cryptography application. Enter the ID and password provided and save it in the database. Wait until it finishes. If an error occurs, the ID or password is incorrect. After login is complete, you will be directed to the main page. Press the logout button provided to exit the main page.
All right, for the next part is Daniel. For Daniel, please explain the presentation.
Thank you, Vanessa. Next, workflow encryption. 1. Enter input or upload plain text file containing a collection of letters. 2. Enter the key with the sum number of letters as the content of the input of file. 3. Press the key encrypt button to start encryption for process of the text. 4. After that, it will be saved into the database. 5. Download data the which will be saved as a TXT file and is called paperback. 6. Done. Next, workflow description. First, enter the ciphertext field which contains a collection of letters that have been encrypted. 2. Enter the key with the sum number of letters as the content of the file. 3. Press the decrypt button to start the description process for the text. 4. After that, it will be saved into the database. 5. Download data which will be saved as a TXT file and is called plain text. Thank you.
All right, for the next part is Hadi. For Hadi, please explain the presentation.
Thank you, Andika. Login. Firstly, every action taken will be recorded as data and stored in the database. After that, several parts are taken from the historical data and encryption or decryption data. Next, the data will be started and displayed in the space provided in the application. For done. Okay, this is what the sketch looks like for logging. In here, we have separated it into two. On the right, there is an image for page decoration. And on the left is for inputting ID and password. There is a logo at the top and a little in the middle, and there are two boxes and one button. The first box is for inputting user ID. The second box is for inputting user pass. And for the first button to process user authentication in the database. Thank you.
All right, for the next part is Rifki. For Rifki, please explain the presentation.
Thank you, Andika. Secondly, there is a sketch display for encryption. And there is a title at the top, and there is a one-time pad menu which contain to sub menu for encryption and decryption. And here there are also two input box and the four button. The first box is for placing input or plain text file. The second box is to put the key. And the first button is open file to search for plain text file on the user computer. The second button has the generate function to automatic create the key. The third button, encrypt, to process the encryption program. And the final button, save as, to save the encryption result. On the right, there are two display box. The top box, result to display the encryption result. And the bottom box, login, to display user activity in the application. And in the login box, there is a clear all button to delete all login results. Third, there is a scat display for description. Here, the only difference is that the generate button become choose to search for the file containing the key, and the encrypt button become decrypt to process the decryption program. Finish.
All right. This is our presentation. If there's something wrong, we apologize. We end this presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.